Now this video here is actually to explain how to know that if your checkbox is being checked. So now it will actually be unchecked. Then when the code is run, check you actually check your checkboxes. So this is this is this is actually the code here, and this is the design of it. So now this actually explains that the new checkbox column has been declared to actually fit your data grid field. Then the name of it, which is the column, the checkbox column header is actually called the checkbox column. And then inside the columns of it, the data grid field dot column dot add is actually adding the checkbox column. This whatever is the variable we declared here. So now we've added unchecked boxes for it to actually fit the data grid field. So now should they allow users to add like rows? No. So false actually means true. So now this is actually four syntax we are actually using. So now for I is an integer is equal to 0. The data grid view dot rows dot count will be counting -1. -1 counting there is waiting for user to actually input something there. So it will actually be the cursor will be there for you to actually input something. So now we declared as a boolean. Boolean is simply true or false statement. If it's true, it will give it true. If it's false, it will actually give it false. So the C is actually for checked. So if the checkbox cell is checked, so now if C is true, then the message box should tell you that it has been checked. If else, it should tell you that it's not checked. So simply here, when I run my code, we are just checking if the checkboxes they are being checked or they are not checked. So we checked some and then we don't check some, then we check whether they are checked or not. Yeah, so I'm actually waiting for my code to appear so that I explain to you what the code actually meant. So it's taking a little bit of time. So actually taking a little bit of time. So now I try to check some of them. I to check some of them. So now when I click on the checkbox, you can see that the first one is not checked. So the if statement checks if the checkbox there is checked or not checked. If it's not checked, it actually runs the code not checked. The message box tells me it's not checked. The second one is telling me it's checked. The third one not checked, 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 not checked, checked, and then not checked, not checked. So this is basically the explanation of how you want to know if your checkboxes are being checked or they are not checked. Thank you.